Hello everyone! Welcome to our hashtag Masterclass. Hashtag is one of the simplest and effective search tools of social media. It is easily created and searchable. It became a popular marketing tool for businesses, organizations, celebrities, influencers, individuals, and promotions. This way, you can underline a campaign, word, or the whole phrase. On some social media, hashtag is the most important thing when it comes to search. With a hashtag, everything is more recognizable. For example, our hashtag leads tutorials, leads digital tutorials, leads digital, and at the very end, and the most important, leads. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leads here. Hashtags can be the essential part of your strategy. If used correctly, your posts and stories can become more viral, and people can likely be interested in your products or brand. They are used to make content more discoverable. It's also used for categorization, followers, expansion. Person searches for the word love or the expression no filter. Each story or post or tweet that has those hashtags in their captions will show up. People can also choose to follow hashtags which can appear to them even though they're not following you. Instagram search still works through a hashtag, so it can be a great value in building a community, brand, or followers. A hashtag can be a combination of letters, numbers, and or emoji, acronyms, and so on. For example, hashtag love, hashtag TB, hashtag no filter. Hashtags are clickable. Anyone who clicks on an Instagram hashtag or conducts an Instagram hashtag search will see a page showing all the posts tagged with that hashtag. Hashtag can be placed in the caption sentence, or it can be listed below the caption depending on what you're trying to achieve. When you write hashtag in the caption, this way you're underlining the importance of that word or phrase. Here are some types of hashtags. Under the hashtag, it can be a product, name, person's name, service, game, feeling, expression, movement, brand campaign. Name, famous person, your name, someone's nickname. An example, hashtag John Doe, hashtag name, surname. Business name, such as hashtag leads tutorials. Product or service, basic keywords, hashtag digital tutorials, hashtag social media, hashtag tutorials. Branded, hashtags that are talking about your brand directly, hashtag leads tutorials, hashtag Coca-Cola, hashtag Samsung, hashtag Android. Niche, more specific hashtag talking of someone's content, hashtag YouTube vlogger, hashtag lifestyle blogger, hashtag book lover. Industry, hashtag computer science, hashtag microbiologist, hashtag marketing. Events, special hashtags created for the events. Hashtag save the plants, hashtag healthy hair party, hashtag happy hour. Seasonal, during one season such as these. Hashtag summer vibes, hashtag winter holidays, hashtag spring break, hashtag happy new year, hashtag Miami summer 2021. Social crisis, hashtag save lives, hashtag stay home, hashtag Black Lives Matter, hashtag flood 2016. Daily, days in a week, hashtag throwback Tuesday, hashtag Monday blues, hashtag Freaky Friday. Location, telling the exact location, emphasizing the importance of it, hashtag New York Donut, hashtag Tokyo Sushi. Acronym hashtags which are very popular on social media, phrases that are recognizable only by reading the first letters. It can be helpful if you see our free video tutorial, Acronyms. Emojis. You can put an emoji next to a hashtag and it will be recognizable as such in a search bar. Trending. They can be very effective, funny, helpful, inspirational. For example, hashtag I was today years old, hashtag my superpower, hashtag first world problems. What hashtag to use? Some of the hashtags are very popular. Some of the hashtags can be personal and interesting to you and your audience. You can find the most popular hashtags in the niche by searching the Google or by typing the wanted hashtag in search bar of one social media platform. You can also search hashtags in this tags part of Instagram by typing them in that search box. Keep in mind that some of the hashtags are banned. You can find those banned ones in people's blogs, Instagram news, and so on. But the most popular hashtags are not the most effective ones. At one time, plenty of people can use one hashtag, so your post or story can be lost in a sea of the same hashtags. It's good to see which hashtag uses similar pages and profiles, your competitors. It's good to stay in a niche, but try not to exactly be the same. Differences can also be made in captions and photos. Try to stay different as much as you can. Create your own and recognizable hashtag. You can place it in your Instagram bio as well as for additional promotion. If you create one of your own, be sure to follow it so you know how it goes and grows. Hide hashtags. You can hide your hashtags and place them into a post comment on Instagram. Those hashtags can be seen if someone clicks on that specific comment. But if you want your hashtags in a caption, but you want to move them a little bit down, click or tap on Enter key, arrow down, or write one or more emojis, dots and lines, and then separate hashtags from other parts of the captions. You can hide hashtags in stories when you write them down and place a sticker, GIF, or text over it. But sometimes you want others to see your hashtag on stories as a way of promotion. Keep in mind that social media platforms are different, so be careful when you use them. LinkedIn is mainly business platform, but on Instagram, it's a more relaxed atmosphere going on. Facebook's algorithm reads words, so you can use hashtags to draw attention to something. Do a research: who's interested in your niche, which hashtags are used in your type of business, what hashtags are relevant to your business. Try different hashtag combination. Some of them are used on a regular basis, but others can be changed according to the things you're posting. So you can save some basic hashtags in the Word, Note, or mobile app file, so you can just copy-paste them. It saves a lot of time. Using hashtags incorrectly. If you use them wrong, you can do some damage. Be sure to use a hashtag accordingly to the post or story you're posting. Have in mind that it has to correspond with the text caption as well. Try not to use curses, bad words, banned hashtags, because this way your profile, page, or account can be reported or hidden. Also, make sure that when you're creating a hashtag, it can be read properly. Now, if you read it slowly and differently, the message goes a wrong way. You can also create those type of hashtags intentionally, but be careful with it. Though it does look funny, doesn't it? To use hashtags effectively, you need to understand exactly how they work and put some thought into strategy. You're in the right place to do just that. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.